Buongiorno! So our European tour keeps rolling. We visited some beautiful places and this is no exception. Overnight we sailed on Cunard's Queen Victoria into Alghero in Sardinia, and we're basically going to have a look around and take in some of the beautiful sights. What are we doing, Claire?
Going for a bike ride.
We're going for a bike ride on a tandem.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. What, you?
I can't do anything.
Are you actually pedalling?
Well, I want to start things,
Right, 1, 2, 3, pedal. Who needs a boat trip or, you know, taxis or whatever when you've got a little tandem bike? This is nice. And here we are on the Sardinia. Slow down a little bit. Going downhill. You're very wobbly. It's not me.
You're very wobbly.
It's not me, it's you.
Because you're trying to film
Dog!
this.
Watch out for the dog! I was asking, is it illegal to ride on the pavement? He didn't say no.
Did it say?
No. He said just go down the direction. In my best Italian, you go down the way. 2 miles and then you come back.
For the night, don't waste my time. Don't stop, don't stop. This game ain't nothing. I'ma wait till time.
Buongiorno.
Hello.
Cause I don't need nothing. Don't waste my time.
And stop. What do you think of that?
Wow.
Paradise. We've discovered paradise.
That is very nice.
But we forgot our swimming trunks. No! Nice. Buongiorno! So that was fun. We've cycled on our rented tandem quite comfortably. Very nice. We've cycled around the coastline from Alghero. You can see Queen Victoria docked over there in the bay, and we've cycled all the way around there, and we have arrived at Capo Galera here. So nice little trip, and I think we deserve a bit of lunch now. Bit of lunch?
Lovely.
Lovely. Let's do that. Buongiorno! So that's it, that's the end of our day here in Alghero. in Sardinia, in Italy. It's been a fantastic day, beautiful weather, as it has been everywhere we visited. If you've been watching some or all of these videos in this series while we've travelled around Europe, thanks very much for that. We've got 2 or 3 more to go, but otherwise our tender back to the tender is the boat that takes us back out to the Cunard's Queen Victoria, this big ship that's been carrying us around in absolute luxury and style. If you haven't considered doing a cruise before, you really should look into it. It's not mega expensive, and it's just such a luxurious way to travel. But anyway, thanks for watching this one. See you for the next one. See you next time. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Back on board.